not sure. The
That
microphone.
recording took forever and didn't have a microphone.
3 hours.
That's true.
Stop spitting. Stop doing that.
I need more. I need like. What is? How much do you need more for 1,500? I have 1,234. I wish you could jump in this game.
You can't.
I wish!
They cannot jump, okay? They don't have joints. Where are you?
Kuya, can you do matchmaking only once?
Okay,
Yay!
you press.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're alone.
Stop. Okay.
Gigabytes.
Hey, that's. Oh, wow.
We get that too. I think you will get this yata.
Oh.
I think you will get this yata. I think I'm gonna use yata.
Right.
Dum 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 dum. What's that?
Funny video.
Hi guys, I'm the only Finn here. Can I clap you, Louis?
Hey, don't do that.
I'm just clap up. Just a wedding boy.
It's an Easter.
Wedding boy. Here, this is your shirt.
This is. Okay. Oh, now it's 4 machines. You already died.
No.
Oh, they got damaged.
There's twisted versions here. Oh no, I missed the top. I found the top. Oh, I found the thing.
Okay. G. Okay. Okay. My school checks bigger.
Well, that recording was rigged.
Anyways, I have myself. I have a research of myself.
No! So, Mr.
Okay. Whoa.
Corny. Oh, we bought already?
Yeah.
You're so fast. Hi, Scarps.
Hey.
Hello! I'm so much faster than you. Hibernated poppy.
Yeah.
I should
I'm gonna punch you.
What? I just said hibernated poppy.
I'm now at 1 health. Because of you.
Why? I just said hibernated poppy.
Yeah, but you made me.
No, there's jumper thing.
I can't buy.
Robux.
No. Look at this guy. Look, he said small now. Look, he said now smaller. Smaller now.
This is
Yeah, because when you take damage, it becomes smaller. But you become faster. Auto stat listens here.
not bad.
You have to get near him. Oh, here.
Oh, hi, Blisten.
Listen.
He seems like a good guy, even though he's
Someone's chasing you.
I'm hide behind the table because they're doing. Why didn't they?
Ah! Okay.
There's another duel. Be quick, we have to.
Yeah, I know, I saw it.
Come on, be quick, be quick. Come on.
Okay,
This one, this one. besties.
Yes, they're small.
They're kind of healthy.
What?
It's the toodles. Baby's child.
Candies.
We didn't see, I was zooming.
Oh, it was on the other left.
Ooh, hi, Gleason.
Oh, it's there.
Ow. Oh no.
Ooh!
I don't.
You got one heart as well.
At least we're doing.
Oh, he's at one heart as well.
I'm supposed
Only
to-
these two are 3 hearts.
Yeah, but they're all women. They're just Then,
Okay.
row!
Okay.
Screw you! I hate you. I swear, if this is dark, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna pounce at you. If this is the, if the light closes, I'm gonna jump at
It did close.
you. I Pop! Pop! No! No, I didn't!
Oh.
Give me the...
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Just take the course. Oh, there, do one.
Dual. Hey.
I'm doing this. I'm doing your yata.
Sorry, stop calling me Yata. Good job.
Hey, that was your fault. Don't see you made a sound. Ah!
Okay, can. Oh, someone died. I think it was Louis.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
Will you look?
Oh my goodness.
Bro became a car.
You run at Mach 10. Oh, there's just a GG. I think I research.
What did you do? Like, you go near them.
Oh,
Hello!
I almost died.
I already have 85. Nothing's useful.
Chocolate pa.
Oh, why did you pick up my pop song? Okay, give me a switch.
No.
Let's take a switch. Wait.
Okay. Stop it.
I think you're never gonna.
No, I can think. Every drop I Hey, that's mine!
Oh, there's Bright.
Oh,
Jawbreaker. Okay, I'll distract. No, oh my god, I almost died. Hey.
have you chatted Yata?
Yeah. 4 times. Not 3 times.
Who have you wrote to?
Good scraps and then Louis.
Louie double Louie!
That. Medkit.
No, give me
Oh.
that.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna eat you, bro.
I'll carry this team.
You're gonna go back to 1 heart. I need research. Right, me, really?
Yeah.
Hi, Tisha!
Oh, she's here.
We.
No, they're all going here.
Where? Are you doing machine?
No. Oh, one more machine.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Oh, now she's chasing.
I'm here. Thank you, Tisha.
Oh, I died. Oh,
Wait,
no.
you died?
No, I mean, I took damage. I was trying to distract.
Oh, where's the machine?
I have 2 jawbreakers.
I'm gonna give you a breaker. Someone's already doing the machine.
Okay.
I swear if you go at me, Tegan. Happy but sad.
Oh, I see. I think I see you. Go around. So slow. Okay.
Run, 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 run,
Let's
run,
go.
run, 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 run. Don't want stamina.
I have to do
Oh, someone scrapped.
Okay.
Yay! This scraps.
Hey.
Are you
Hey, you
sure
have
that-
time?
Meow meow.
What the hell?
I just use this.
Conventus. Please be pop sub. Yeah, you'll pay for plastic.
Okay.
You're flexing that you have.
Smells like plankton.
No, you barely have any stamina.
Wow, smell this.
I have more stamina. Oh no, I stepped on it. I stepped on it. I need a better
Smell again. Hello.
No, I'm out of stamina.
Okay. Hold that.
That's some stamina in here.
Should I die? Okay, let's just do. Should we just do dual? Okay, wait. I should die first. I'll get all the resources first.
I barely got the little
Yeah.
Oh, I have research on the twisted. I have twisted poppies. I want to buy sticker, but it's so expensive. Wait, how much is it? 250? Oh, there. I'm gonna do candy extract. Oh, this one. This is good.
But that's step.
Oh,
You bought a sticker. Well, you should get it. Maybe you should equip.
how do we
Press on the squares.
I pressed on the squares.
Hello.
I pressed on
Yummy.
I pressed on the squares.
I died.
I pressed on the squares.
Alright, there's no premise server.
I'm pressing on the squares. It's not letting me equip anything.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
Okay. The server. Deserve. Oh, let me leave. Escape and enter. Okay, there.
Yay!
Wow.
Guys, that's not a friend.
There.
What?
Yeah.
How to click?
X.
Just us only. We have Dandy and Puzzle. Wait, let me turn off the lights.
What?
Don't worry, the game is good. Turn it this.
Okay.
Woo! I'm scared.
No.
I'm scared.
Now it's fine. It's still 6:40 p.m. And we should have Okay.
Wait, how do we go?
Oh, it's the. Did you bought it? Oh, it's this one.
Oh,
Oh, scoop.
we have to. No, that was Dandy.
Oh, I got listen.
I'm not lying. It's actually only Dandy. You want to see it?
What? No.
And I have one more. Okay.
It's so dark. Wait.
Can't see anything.
Okay. It's so dark.
Get over here.
Yeah.
Make
Where are
sure
you?
you don't. Make sure you don't get any capsules. All capsules are mine.
They're not server sided.
Don't care. You have to tell me where it is. Even though you haven't gotten it. Join matchmaking.
Hey, wait, move your phone. No, don't join matchmaking. Okay.
I'm scared.
This is Daddy's room. Let's silence. Okay.
Imagine we're playing the Mimic. I'm gonna cry my
Or we
pants
can
out.
play the shawarma game.
Okay, let's do it later.
No!
Bro, you're scared.
No.
You're scared.
That was the dancing guy.
You're scared. Should I buy a bandage? No. Should I buy a wrap? No. Oh, that's what they've been getting about. That's why every time I'm doing a dual, they keep completing it like in 5 seconds.
We're not ready now.
Just ready.
I already did.
I'm gonna eat you.
I did not. Eat me.
Give me a smooch.
You're gonna eat me.
Yes, because of your tummy. All you have in your brain is candy.
Oh, you have your brain is fish. Tilapia.
Where's Bob the fish? Bob the fish, you awake? Yay!
You get this tape.
Phone call.
Okay, I'll get you. Oh, then give me a core.
What?
They didn't give me the ink.
Why?
You get a core when you touch her.
Eh?
Yeah. Cosmo.
We were. Is it true?
Sometimes.
It only gave me tapes.
Oh. That's good.
Barely any tapes. Oh, I already found the machine.
That was me.
When you have to twist it, feels like the corners just feels invisible.
Yeah.
Let me do all the machines again. Structure.
Oh, Joy, look.
What?
Look at my screen.
Ooh.
No, don't.
It's true.
I swear to press it. I told you. That's your fault.
You are so mean, you bam boom 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 bam boom boom.
Oh, someone saw us.
You're so slow.
Hmm.
Why are you bad girl? You're so mean. You're so ugly that you're so ugly. That's such a good bros, right? Dap me up.
Where's this machine? Wait, let me be the
Bro, I found one.
Wait, let me be the one to do it a bit because I have 2 skill check candies. Wait, stop it first. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're there. Oh,
Hey!
it's Connie. I'll do it for a bit.
Why?
I have 2 skill check
I
candies.
swear if that finishes, I'm gonna punch you.
Wait, if it runs out, then left. And stop.
So small.
There's someone! There's someone!
What?
Never mind. She's chasing me.
Bro,
He likes me.
why's your skill check?
No!
What?
Oh.
Why's
Faster.
your skill checks so small? Like scarves.
Now Scrap is more smaller.
So you shouldn't do those.
Or just.
You're just a good yata now.
Huh? Hey, don't go this way. Okay. Oh, okay.
So, let me turn on the lights.
Okay, sure.
Oh.
Bandage.
Wait.
Oh, never mind. That was that bandage. They look like a bandage.
5 stars.
It looks like a bandage.
What is the stopwatch?
Onion machine.
What is it?
I don't know. Increases speed. Use the tape on the machine.
What?
Here, machine.
Wait. I don't have tape.
Watch myself.
Are you on the stopwatch?
Oh, it bugs.
Also,
You stuck on a wall.
so much research. Oh, another one. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Huh? Rice log. Where's the last machine?
Oh, I found it. But this is mine.
I'm trying to find mine.
You got found it. It's just styrene.
No. McDonald's or Jollibee or Tokyo. What did you?
What do you like Tokyo?
Let's a pizza.
What do you like Tokyo?
Your chicken karag is it's big. Oh, I'll be stopwatch. Did you use the stopwatch? Oh, the stopwatch so useless.
Oh. I found an air.
Use it right now.
That's my Oh, hi Yata. Wait, Yata was here?
Okay. Either this one.
No. This one.
Huh?
This one. Con two. Can you join me in Wallhop practice later?
Yeah, but I won't record it.
Oh. Only for a little 5 minutes. Chocolate. Yes.
I'll get the pop.
No!
You already have chocolate.
I already ate it.
I'm gonna.
I already ate it.
I'll punch you.
Why?
I'll eat the air one already.
Bro! You took my pop earlier.
You're taking my tapes.
Oh, shit.
Oh, now there's 3 machines.
3 only.
Yeah, there are 3. And I found one.
I only found one.
Oh, and I'll also find another machine. It's the main where we. Just
Bro,
there.
they're so blind.
There's the machine. Then,
Where are you?
okay. Okay, I'll finish it when you finish with yours.
Why?
I want.
So I get more speed.
Just type Exonic.
If you complete 4, I think I become faster than the elevator. I just teleport wherever I want to go.
Or maybe there's 6.
Or 10. Imagine 10 machines.
That'll take long.
No,
Oh no.
there's only 7.
Oh no, I couldn't complete it because Fox did. He ruined the moment.
Oh, siya. Okay, leave
Oh!
them away. Wait a minute, leave them away. Come here, Boxy. Okay, spit out.
Bro, you're so bad.
What's wrong with being bad? And he's coming to you. I'm just continue. See? Ah, Brusha!
No.
I was still here.
If we die, we'll still restart. Okay.
Okay, we're cool.
Don't hide.
Chill.
This is how you become a girl.
Brusha's a girl?
Yes,
It's a good place.
kind of.
That's weird.
Now. Okay, there. Already.
Pop soda is OP. Yeah.
Good work.
You lick me? Pop soda.
Oh,
Nothing important. What? This bite.
yes.
I'm half full.
Extraction speed.
I need everything here. I need everything here. I need my chocolate to be not hungry. I need the air horn to prank you. And the pop soda.
For stamina.
Later, let's search up Rolling Sky Tower.
No.
Imagine what will show up.
Medkit, Drake. Drake's right there.
Hi, Brimpo.
I'm gonna shock it.
Breath. I have to
Use it now. Now we're equal.
Yay! We have 3 hearts. Oh, found a machine.
Oh.
And it was circle.
Oh, it's a circle. Okay.
At least I know how to do the circle. I'm gonna suffer it.
Busha again.
Okay, let's play Ito as well, okay?
But if we die, we'll still restart.
What?
Yeah, we need to make this recording long. Oh, try look what I found.
Wait, bro, you made me. What? Prank me, chat. I can prank you.
But I don't need it.
Yeah, just use it. Oh, shit, there's so. Oh, Kuya, do. Oh, bro, you're so bad.
Oh.
Wait, I'm in charge.
Okay, well, distract.
Leave him away. I'm in charge of the phone. Well, let's do this so it's equal. The rolling sky tower if there's even any. Then the Ito and then the one of practice.
Okay.
So it's
No, not
equal.
Ito. We already did.
Oh, yeah. So.
So we'll do this for like 1 hour.
What? It's gonna take forever.
We're in floor 4, okay?
Okay, let me do the 2 machines. We're gonna do 1 machine. Wait.
And this one. Huh?
What? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're doing 1 now.
Are they at the same time?
Mine's faster.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Astro. The one that you like chapters
Where are you?
Right.
Oh,
It was a shrimp last
shrimp left. Shrimp ball. Don't run. Just
How are
walk.
you using your laptop even though the charger is here?
This is the old one.
Wait, this is old?
Yeah. Put it back in the bag.
Oh, I saw it. I didn't. Is it silver?
No, it doesn't work anymore.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's another medkit.
You. Oh, Kuya, look, a dual but circle.
Both. Wow. Okay, let me do it.
Kuya, do this one. Oh, I found a band-aid.
Nice. Lucky for.
And I found coffee.
Where are you? I'll just do the.
I want the do not open.
I'll do the dual plug.
Oh. Oh, Kuya, look, there's a dual without circle.
Okay.
Come here to me.
Wait.
I'm so cheeky.
Oh.
You're so cute.
Yeah.
Even though you look like an ungrown popsicle.
Okay.
Well, your controls are so bad.
Okay, let's get the kidneys.
Where's the stomach again?
Let me do that. Wait, let's do the dual.
Wait, I'm still. Hey, yo.
Oh, okay, let me distract him for a way.
Let me switch. Run and floor is still like you can end.
No.
This is infinite.
Infinite.
What's the world record?
I think floor 100 or floor 200.
Yep, you have to. I stayed up for two
Yeah.
whole days.
I saw some. I saw some at team. They did Star 100 and took them 9 hours.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, then Epic follow me. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Bro. I'm distracted by Kim. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Both of them were there. I'm almost out of stuff. Done this. Yay. Anything? No.
I have 2 now.
To what? LOL.
Chocolate.
I have 100 stamina.
Yeah, that's fine.
Urf.
Scrap has 200, but she regenerates stamina so slow.
200?
Yeah, she has 200.
Yeah. Even though one of us dies, we're gonna play the Golden Sky Tower.
No, only if we all die.
Bro, why? This gonna take forever. You're a pro.
Oh, honey. Call me again. And I found bandage. You get it.
I already have a bandage.
Just in case. Okay, wait.
I found the capsule. Oh no.
Okay. Wow.
Hi.
Uja.
Where are you?
I'm distracting a machine. Why? You want to kiss me? Oh, now I got silver.
Hey, where are you?
I'm behind.
Bruh, do the other one. Okay. Hey, do the other one.
Ooh. Not so quick.
Oh, you're faster than me now.
Yeah, because I ate all the chocolate candies.
Chocolates.
Chocolate. Where are you? I see one. Oh, the other 2. This one. You do that one, that has a core. That's what you get. What? Did it chase me?
What? It's real.
Okay,
But I think you were gonna do all two machines.
that's why you should break me.
I break you.
What? Elmore.
Elmore Junior Plus.
Yeah. Mr. Small. It's brown.
Why me?
I'll just. Oh,
What? The
Okay.
bullshit box is rigged.
I told you should took that bandage.
Already.
Oh,
Pick up the bandage.
how about you do the 2 machines?
Yes. I just wanna die already.
No.
I wanna play Golden Sky. And the Wallhawk Tower. And the Wallhawk practice. What's the difficulty of Tower not found again?
Hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
That was easy. That was easy. Even though I was called Tofi or Morseless or something.
Oh, remind.
But you just
Oh wow, he's kind of fast now.
I don't have an air horn anymore.
Near her.
Too cranky.
Don't.
Why? I wanna end the room.
No.
Come on. Electrician.
Okay. Imagine a blackout already.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, you got this, guys.
Okay.
Come on. Spawn. Ready. Please give a bro.
Oh, scraps.
No, wait. Stop out.
I'll be the one.
Be the one.
to- Okay.
There's a machine there. Bro, I thought that was you.
Are you hungry?
Jamie.
You sure?
Yes.
Then bigger ba?
But no. Okay.
Check the microphone if it's on.
There it is. And this one. Oh, there's a machine. Oh, be careful, crabs. Crabs.
Woo!
I said crabs.
Lol. Bro did it so late.
Not.
No, I'm talking about scripts. She did it so late and I was already
Because of that, I was distracting her.
Rebel and Steve. Garden.
Sprout.
Garden tiny. While Pebble is carrying orange juice. Oh damn, bro!
Oh, it cost you.
Sorry.
Where are you?
Bobby playtime. 302 tapes. How much do you have? How many tapes do you have? What's the last one? Kuya, you do the last one. Oh, gosh,
Great. Focus.
Where's the last one?
I know where it is. I'll do it.
Oh, Cosmo? Oh, no. Oh,
Yeah.
this would be easier if there was shift left.
Yeah. Wait, scraps is there.
I'm just gonna watch.
Look where you look. Yours.
I'm gonna hide. Oh, there you are.
Check where scraps is.
Creepy on you.
Check who will go inside. Okay.
Stalking you.
Looks like a kid.
Looks like a kid stalking another.
Okay, let's get me a bit.
Come on, Dandy. Give me something good. Because I have 319 tapes.
Ooh.
How many tapes do you have?
208.
I have 329.
Wow. Yeah, the papa's one.
Give me more pop. Even my inventory is full. I have one slot of inventory.
Wow.
If I buy. Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
there, stand still.
Yeah, I got the fish. I bought instructions and club soda.
Okay.
Soda pop. What? I don't like the people. I think I'm a very I just want to play Sky Tower. Rolling Sky Tower of Chaos. Newly released 500 years. Whoa! Oh, I forgot I bought a sticker. I forgot I bought a sticker.
Ninja is my best
Your
friend.
controls are so bad. Bro, your controls. Bro, the phone controls is way too
Finn is also here.
No. He's fast. And I bet it's
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, here. Here.
Itchy, itchy. Let me just finish.
Oh, he's coming. Finn.
Oh, you were there? Hey, that's mine!
I walk.
Oh, no, he's coming.
Okay. Okay.
I'll do that.
Oh, and him
How
as
did
well.
he see me? I was hiding. There was a balloon there. It's like an unfair jump.
Like me.
No!
Oh.
Oh, I'm slow.
Oh.
Bro, this is rigged.
Wait, let me distract them.
Fine. No, continue on your machine.
You might get hit.
I will. I promise.
I shouldn't give you that bandage.
Nah, I still have to do this. And I'm out of stamina. I'm happy to my pop.
Just go around.
Louis
Side.
rigged.
Side.
I know. Louis rigged. Those tall, unfed zombie next so.
Okay, I see you, I see you,
why
I
is
see you.
everything rigged?
I thought you were going to distract.
I distracted all of those while you did your machine rigged. Bruh, Louis!
Okay, I'll distract them.
Now do your machine.
No, you do it. Oh, where's Finn?
And I'm here. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, wait, don't go to the elevator yet. There's distance. Ouch! Oh, I forgot.
Oh, okay. Go, bruh. Try to get the jawbreaker.
Okay.
So you means I get 135?
Yeah.
By only one
Five.
round?
Yeah.
Just one round though.
One round. Oh,
I
almost
have one.
like that.
Oh,
No! Don't be. Okay. Oh, there's new one already. And there's Brighty.
what is it?
Yeah. Don't.
Oh, it's so red. But like,
Oh. There's a new one.
does it have one circle? Or is it just both lines?
Wait, I don't know where it is. One circle. Almost.
Complicated. So much.
Wait, there's some distance. Oh, sure, Poe.
Oh! I never mind. Shrimpo's a bully, right?
Yes, he hates everyone. Oh my goodness. I thought you were doing the dual.
No, I'm waiting for you.
Why did you doing the machine now?
What? This ain't the duel.
Why are you not doing the dual?
Why?
I was about to do it. You're so dumb. Hurry up. Okay. machine.
Don't be stuck. Just lead them off somewhere. I'm just gonna continue this one machine. Dun, 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 dun. What time is it?
6:47.
Let's go.
Okay. Ano na naman?
I think there's no chest.
Are you meeting?
Nah. I was just-
I'm out of stamina. Where are you going? I'm so confused. Yes.
Oh, good thing.
Oh,
Oh, chocolate.
I want you to do the machines. I keep getting. Every time you do the machines, they're all coming here. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now be careful. They're here.
Hug time. Ooh, shoot. Oh, no, I'm trapped.
Nice.
And I won.
I've had 2 hearts.
What's an engine?
Makes you fast. Really fast.
Should I buy this? I have 300.
Uh,
What is a job breaker?
in Jawbreaker.
What is it?
Give random effect, but for longer.
Okay, this is the first time we reach floor 11.
Okay, but don't die.
Oh no,
Gama gama.
it's true, it's a gum.
Or rajal.
Yay!
Do not sprint. 3!
I accidentally pressed it.
So I don't play with you. Now I'm gonna continue. I keep dying.
Bro, I'm not a pro at Daddy's World. I'm not like the guy that already has 2,000 even though it's just the first time playing.
I told you to not sprint. You shouldn't press anything. You're doing this. I can do it closer. Wow. Dum dum.
They'll be waiting for you for the road.
Ay, what you do?
You'll never die anyways. I'm gonna do the rolling skate now.
Okay. Rolling Sky Tower.
Ooh, I have twisted. Ooh,
Box 10.
box.
Wow.
Oh, this gives
I found a bandage.
gives speed. This gives stamina. This gives stealth. Yeah, I just want stealth. Oh, come.
Squish it.
No, I just
This is what you were doing. Oh.
gossip. I actually tried chatting with a bit. I need you. I need you.
So,
The skill check is just the same as. Oh, good. GG skill check is OP.
yeah,
Stamina skill.
it's fine.
Oh, look at Roger. I can buy him.
Don't.
Why is he useless?
Kinda.
Now I need 50% research on something new. What can I buy? I want to buy something.
Yeah.
I can only buy Roger something. Of course, not Shrimp though. I can almost buy Yata.
Almost.
That's 2,000. Okay, I'll wait for you in the rolling sky tower.
Hey. There's no Rolling Sky Tower.
I have to look.
Okay. Let's play the actual Run Sky. Yeah.
Only one.
One.
Yeah, one number.
This is only Poppy. Yeah.
You're never gonna die, bro.
It's fine, okay.
You're not even gonna join me.
Fine. Okay.
Are you proud that I have the pumpkin skin now?
Yes.
Why?
Because now you'll die less quicker.
It's because I was acting like a pro. I was using the normal ball.
Yeah.
It's because I didn't want to waste my puzzle pieces.
No! It won't let me. Yes. It won't let me get out.
How many hearts do you have left?
2. I was extracting machine won't let me get out.
It also keeps happening to me. That's why most.
You should fix that.
And even though you've been. How do you do that?
Which one?
The first round.
Don't do it.
First round.
Ow. Okay. Diagonal jump scare.
Ooh!
To my screen.
Okay, let me let's do the one round practice.
Okay. Okay, now I reached floor 11.
No, you're never gonna die, little bro. Bro, your screen is rigged.
I know.
Yep, it's true, it's true.
Don't do hard.
Hey, bro, it's so.
Use your shirt.
Why?
What do you mean, why? Okay.
Yay, we're
Floor
on
11.
top. 13 seconds, let me do that.
Okay.
What? Hey, what? Bro, this is rigged.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, gamu-gamu. Mugu-mugu.
No, stop going down. No, 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 no. Wow! I was right at the floor.
Dalawa. Okay. Miss you.
I hate you.
Later.
Hey,
Later. Goob is cute.
we also joined Grow Garden
Why?
for little. This short. You're just gonna unlock the bug. If you get something rare, just get it. Because you don't care about.
It's also close.
Hi. Okay, don't come in, don't come in, don't come in, don't come in. Okay. I thought Dandy's world gossip. Carry parkour.
Okay.
Carry parkour. What a carry parkour. Not even jump. Upward. I can even walk. You're gonna die?
No.
You're never gonna die, bro. You're a Lego.
Yeah.
Let me just do it.
Lego core, okay. Lego core.
How did you make this avatar?
Which one? This color, the body color.
Bacon?
Which one?
The noob.
The with glasses?
Yeah.
Simple. Just body color.
Do you have to do it on a bacon?
No. Don't do anything. Okay, floor 12.
And we're gonna join the private server.
Oh,
And
Dre, you should have got this.
nah, everything's rigged.
Everything's rigged today. Wow.
Everything's
Get that.
actually rigged.
Yeah. 36 straps.
Do you mean it's rigged? It's true. Yay!
Floor 12.
Oh, you're getting forever. Style.
It's a blackout then.
Yay! How did you know?
I just knew it because there's a hasn't been a blackout. Look at my screen.
You should make one of your towers with a.
Okay.
Add it to mine. Distant turrets.
To progress or just optional? Okay.
So it's intense. I didn't say.
Now there's 5 machines.
And you're single. Hey,
But you were kissing me. Okay. Let's play it.
Bro, this is rigged. I swear, if I say the word, I swear this is gonna be rigged.
Okay, there.
I hope the creator of this game always gets wet socks 99% of the time.
Calm down.
No.
How about you should eat wet socks?
You should eat wet bacon. Soggy bacon.
You should eat bacon that's been in the fridge for 2 years. Rotten. That's what Socks for One has. In the
What?
fridge. Yeah, in their IRL video. In their tour video. House tour.
The fastest conveyor. Exercising is difficult.
Available is.
What?
Alright, that's silver.
How do we ladder flip? Do we just
Yeah.
do that?
Do that.
But something closer to rig.
That's why you should do it on computer.
Woo! Oh, there.
Oh.
Ricky Rug Rug.
Okay, rug.
Rig the Rug Rug! Okay.
Reg. Oh, Jawbreaker.
Oh, bro, you guys are so useless. Bro, you guys are so useless. Bro, your screen is rigged.
Wait, I have so much stamina.
How much?
165.
How?
I think it's from the chocolate.
Wait, how do you do this?
Wait,
Just like this.
now one more.
One more one.
I mean, the machine.
Hey! Tower of Wiggle Core. Available now on Amazon Plus. Oh, bro, it's quick.
Don't do that.
I'm making your screen less rigged.
Oh, now my stamina's back to normal.
Why?
110. It's from the chocolate bar.
Rig. Let's not do one half rounds.
Oh.
Let's do.
Calm down, Jamal.
Let's do Citadel of Void.
No. That's hard. Do it.
Bro, I don't even know the direction to go. Okay, quicker now. Let's just do. Wait, what are we doing right now? Dandy's World?
Hmm.
Just join me for like 10 seconds to grow a garden.
Then that is what again. Oh, it's been 1 hour.
Just die already.
Oh.
Bloody, blood. Get hit.
Okay. At least I can see.
We do the towers.
What are the old one?
Yeah, like a bird.
Big one.
No, never mind. No, never mind. Subreal.
Subrealm. It's all the way at the back as well. The very back.
When did you add zone 1? This shit, your controls are
I
rigged.
don't remember.
Fix your iPhone. Change the.
Change device.
It's too expensive in your little change. The great sky. Great barrier reef. Teleporting up this is slow.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yes, I forgot to reach. There's only 4 towers. Or 4 steep. Yeah.
Is it legend? Look, it says Co. Co. That's people of 6 acres. What's the hardest tower here?
None of them are done.
What's the hardest one?
I don't know.
Tower of Repulse of this convention? Bro, stop saying I don't know.
I'm not yet done working with them.
But you just said you're finished with all.
Where did I say that?
Tower of 6 acres.
6 acres.
People of 6 acres. I want to make a rigged tower.
Where they have twists and turns.
I only have 2 towers, the
Yeah.
easy one and the twisted
The
turns.
staple. And beginner's luck.
So rigged. I'm gonna join Real Garden Friends too.
Russia. Another string twisteds.
Farmers. Ah, you're so carry. So many prismatics.
Yeah.
When I was playing Roblox with here, I love to play this one for there was a giant kaiko stuff.
Good.
So I have another giant.
This last one.
Yep, giant kaiko. Okay, I have to plant all prismatics at the back for some reason.
So much. Dre.
So much more.
Unstoppable healthy. Unstoppably healthy. Let me get damaged.
I am raging. Said. For there. No! That was useless. The world is actually rigged. No one believes in anything.
Oh, last machine.
Except God.
Last machine. Last machine.
you buy that? Okay, say yeah. Do you know how to draw scraps?
Yeah. Okay,
Just take a picture. Be careful of your nails.
Looks kind of bad. She looks chubby.
What do you do? Never mind. I quit.
Oh, Scraps is also here.
I quit. He looks dumb. Yeah. You can write with your nails.
Okay, at floor 14, Twisted Yata and Scraps are both here. No. Ondo is also here. Aurora. Sure can. Sorry. No. I got left floor 22 at 1. Yata's actually blue. Sure.
Yay, good job. Great representation. Oh, 1,000. Shock. We got 8 kg.
What?
Oh, we got 8.
Fatter. Scraps. Dre, look. Not stepping. I'm stepping on it.
Roblox physics. Your favorite is
Now that the three of them are here.
No, let me FP that. Bro, when I picked it up, it's small, even though it's so big.
Yeah, something happened to the bowling ball, the big coconut.
It's bamboo seed. Are bamboos trees?
No,
Or are bamboo
plants.
No, like what type of plants? Example, apple.
There's just normal plants. No. I found the last machine. Those clubs is there. Ouch. I just hit too long. I was grinding my knee on the one for too long. Yeah. Sting. Okay, floor 15.
Bro, when will you die?
Why?
I want you to give me what's inside of that cookie. I just need you to give me that. Oh my god. It'll be that here forever. Yeah.
I got gumball. Hey!
Don't do that.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, I'll die.
Bye.
Okay, wait. Wait!
Kahit yun ang may sauce. Nabutas yung isang sauce, yung isa tuloy chicken ay nalagyan. Ano?
Unas.
Ha?
Unas.
Unas?